What's up guys, kaise ho? Elana, hope everyone is doing great. Okay, today's quality of video is gonna go down. It is very evident, right? Reason for that is I'm using a GoPro 8 to vlog because one second. My Sony A7S3, my Sony A7 III's mic jack is again, I don't want to use the word, but effed up. I got this jack replaced literally in February and now within 8 months, again, it doesn't work. Yesterday ka pura vlog has a lot of distortion. It's literally like, I think years back, I don't remember. We had an old biking gang, remember Charan? I'm planning to take it to the Sony service center. Hopefully they should fix it. They will fix it. The issue is they might charge this time because it is still under warranty. There is like 3 years of warranty in this and it's been only 1 year since I got it. But then I'll not have my favorite camera with me to vlog. And I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of vlogs to do in the next couple of days. Damn. Wrong timing. If they can give it by evening, that's like amazing, which will never happen. I know that for sure. They will take at least a week. I'll go give this and then come back. Then I'll have to take the Street Twin and I'll have to get these things fixed, the crash bars. Yesterday I went, but you guys know what happened, right? Triumph showroom was closed. Second chance today. Hopefully we should get it done. Once again, sorry for the quality, but I want to keep vlogging without stopping. And this is so cute. I mean, look at it here. It's so tiny in my hand. I'm used to holding such a huge camera in my hand. Let's see, it's gonna be fun. Let's try something different, right? So let's go to the Sony service center. See, I have to vlog with this camera now. Oh! Chitku camera. Nice जैसा छोटू है. Bye. I mean, iPhone maybe we can do it, but then the Media Mod has a proper shotgun mic. Let's see how it works. It's better. The audio is much better than the iPhone. So hopefully it should capture my voice much better. Never vlogged on a GoPro. I mean, motor vlog here, but never like this. Now the best part is the camera is so small that no one can see me vlog. It's much more comfortable. Now I'm used to vlogging so much that I don't care who is watching and all. But still, when someone is looking at you while you're holding that huge camera, I don't feel awkward, but I get disturbed. Like this, it is like I'm talking to myself, not talking to a huge box. Came back home, bought my camera back. The technician said this is a frequent problem in the A7. The microphone jack is very delicate. If you see this in the Canon is like a rock. You can throw it around, do anything with it. It's gonna survive. Sony picture quality is like top class, but then it's very, very delicate. So if you want good quality, you have to stick to Sony, but then if you want reliability, you have to stick to Canon. The solution is, there is a Sony mic, alright, which directly goes into the hot shoe. Okay, this is hot shoe. Do you see there's a metallic object inside? That is a connector. Basically, you can slide in the Sony's native microphone. It's called a Sony's, the names are very complicated here. It's called Sony ECMB1M into this, and you don't need a wire. It gets connected through these connectors here. And even this mic jack is going to come after 1 week to the service center, and after it comes, he said he'll give me a call and then I can go and get it fixed. For the next 10 days, 1 week to 10 days, I'll not be able to use this big camera. Let's see, I'll try to place an order online for this one, the native Sony microphone, because if this keeps failing like this all the time and if I'm in a trip, then my audio is effed up. Okay, attempt number 2. Hopefully the showroom is open. I just called them, no one picked up, but I think it's gonna be open. If it's not open, no problem. We can at least clock 1000 kilometers on this new bike. See you directly at the showroom. This is the headlight bezel. No, headlight grill and bezel. Okay. Headlight bezel. Nice. Hi. This for the headlight. This is metal. Yeah. Oh. Things for now, the crash bars and the headlight bezel with the grill. How much time will it take? 20 minutes. That's it? 15 to 20 minutes for each. Okay, half an hour, 45 minutes. నా బతికి ఇట్లా అయిపోయింది.
ఏమైపోయింది? గుంతలో పడేస్తా.
I have to vlog like this.
అదెందుకు? What happened to big camera? What happened to muscle man camera?
Pranav, he thought I'm just holding my hand like this.
No, but why you?
It's
What
not
happened to
just
muscle man camera?
That's in repair right now. Yesterday pura vlog I did on that camera and it stopped working.
So now what?
I went home and when I connected it to the laptop I realized the mic jack is ruined. Full day ka vlog gaya.
So all silent vlog?
All silent nahi, it is there voice but only one side. It's
very
nice.
casual, easy.
Very casual. It's like I'm talking to my hand. Welcome to the classic చెప్పలేదు నాకు.
Hey, welcome to classic twins. Twin brothers, sir.
Yeah.
What do you want to call it? Twin brothers.
This is the daddy of twins. Seriously, I couldn't see my bike.
What accessories did you get? I
Oh,
saw
yes, good question.
engine guard I see.
An engine guard. Hey, you don't have engine guard?
Look పోతుంది bro.
అవునా, లుక్ బాగుంటుందని నేర్పించా నేను.
Classic wheels.
Okay, I thought look is nice. And you see the headlight bezel with the...
Oh, with the metallic one. Oh, you got the grill, ah?
Yes.
Nice.
Front నుంచి చూడట్ నుంచి.
నాకు బేసిక్ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే నాకు ఇది సరిపోదు. So I'm like, why should I add something to make it worse? Yes, it looks nice.
Looks nice, no?
Yes. Is it bright enough? Mine is not bright at all.
Classics may forget about lighting. It's all about the look.
Already ఇంత బ్యాడ్ ఉంది, దానికి ఇంకేదో బ్యారియర్ వేసి why make it worse అని I didn't touch it. I got windscreen.
Oh, next accessory I need to get is bar and mirrors.
Yes.
In black. Oh yes, black. Look at them. I think they look like horns. Buffalo horns. Not that horn. Buffalo horn.
No, it also looks like auto పక్కన ఉంటాయి కదా పెట్టేది.
వీడు మరీ గలీజుగా చెప్తున్నాను.
సీరియస్ చూడు, అట్లీస్ట్ మెటల్ ఇచ్చాడులే.
మధ్యలో బాగుంది. ఫినిషింగ్ ఇస్ నైస్ దిస్ వన్.
You can't touch this company later.
But one thing, I shouldn't be riding the speed twin now. After riding the street twin, I know the crazy torque it's got. I'm gonna miss that if I ride this one. Okay, just came to this place called Hummingbird Cafe. I need to have my evening shot of coffee, and I just want to finish miles on my bike.
Classic features, bro. Leather.
Oh, you saw my
Triumph
keychain?
keychain.
Yeah, original Triumph leather keychain.
And again, he didn't give me.
हमारा complimentary. Oh, now we can do a comparison between the speed twin and the street twin. Not no comparison like in terms of power or torque. Yeah. Comparison only in terms of sound.
Okay.
Which I am a fan of the speed twin. No question about that. Idle, it sounds same when you rev it and when you pull it. Oh man, that's crazy.
If you cross,
amazing.
If you cross 3000, no, it doesn't sound nice and bassy. A bass counter, you should cross.
And you should be in a higher gear, like 5th or 6th gear.
Or low down when it got air.
Yes.
Sounds
Oh
nice.
man,
Sounds
then
very
it
nice.
pops. Now let's see the street twin. Yeah. Not that loud, but a little bit closer to that.
Your clutch is so nice compared to me.
Arey, it's smooth clutch. That is one of the
Something wrong
easiest
with
clutch in any classic I've seen.
One
So
hand.
smooth.
One hand riding ante.
One hand and one finger.
No, one hand. Just leave it, you'll go off front.
Oh yeah. Actually, classics I learned that you don't need to accelerate. You can just leave the clutch.
Leave the clutch and you.
Actually, it sounds nice.
That's damn nice.
But still, speed twin. Speed twin 9.5 out of 10 in terms of sound, and street twin maybe 8.5 out of 10.
9 ఇచ్చారు బేస్ ఉంది.
Okay, 9 out of 10. Pranav is giving 9 out of 10. Speed twin owner ही बोल रहा, so fine. Nice color this. This is one of my favorite colors.
So I recently saw someone who wrapped a street twin to look exactly like
this color.
But without the shine. I don't remember the color, bro.
Arey, I
And
love
basic
this color.
two-tone. They wrapped the two-tone, the black and.
Okay.
Right.
Not because it's my bike, but actually I love this
I
color.
like it. Damn,
This is the
matte,
best color.
satin. I don't
I
understand
mean,
what it is.
they told me this color is not there. We can give you the red one. I said I'll wait for 1 year.
But
I want this color. Ironstone.
This
Otherwise,
looks
it's
like
okay.
that tiger khaki. In some angle, I'm
No, that is green.
correct,
Green.
khaki, matte khaki. This is like very satiny. Some
Yes,
very.
it's got a little bit of green tint.
Wow, I like it.
I think we should go in. Otherwise, we'll keep talking like this about this
We
bike.
can go inside and talk about the same thing.
Hey, what's up, Charan?
Hey, medium odd.
I have to live with this. I'm vlogging like this since morning.
But low light low.
This is the best you can get. But it is so nice, you know.
You can put road mic.
I am talking like this, no one is noticing me. I'm busy vlogging.
You can put a road mic here.
I was outside vlogging like this. Pranav came and he was searching. Where is he talking?
నేను అనుకున్నావు
ఇదేం చేతితో మాట్లాడుకుంటున్నాను.
అప్పుడు ఇంకా హెల్మెట్ కూడా సినిమాలో మాట్లాడుతున్నాడా ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు సార్
ఇలా పట్టుకున్నా నేను. Before ending this video, I would like to clarify something. The biggest, the most frequently asked question you people had. Sriman has always been talking about the Speedwin. Whichever city I went, whenever I traveled, whenever I came across a Triumph showroom, first thing I always talked about is the Speedwin. Even today, I love that bike so much, especially the sound of it. I've been giving so much of hype about the bike, but why did I choose the Street Twin over the Speedwin? 3 major reasons. Reason number 1, price. My budget was not anything about 10 lakhs. It cost I think approximately 12 to 13 lakhs on road. I'm not even sure, but it is definitely about 10 lakhs. Reason number 2, Speedwin has been discontinued. I mean, first I need to have a bike to buy, right? It is not even available. All the Speedwins we had in India were all BS4 variants and they discontinued because they are getting the BS6. It's what I believe. I'm not sure about that news. I just hope they didn't discontinue it completely because that is one gem of a bike. Reason number 3, if you compare the Speedwin to the Street Twin, Speedwin looks a little bit bulky and a little bit more intimidating. I wanted a bike for the city where it is not noticed much. If I just want to leave it somewhere in the parking, it shouldn't be an attention grabbing bike like my Tiger, because when you're just walking past a couple of bikes which are parked in a parking lot, Tiger will definitely pull your attention. Street Twin is such a bike that has that beautiful design cues only when you see it from close, and when you're riding it you get that very nice premium feel. But when you're just walking past the parking lot, you won't notice it. It blends into the crowd unless and until you're a very hardcore biker. Now there are a few people who are saying, Sriman, you should have got the Continental GT or the Interceptor, which are almost equal in terms of looks, design and power. It is a huge joke. For someone like my mom or my grandmom, all the bikes look same. But if you are someone who gives attention to detail, who understands design, in simple terms, okay, please don't get offended, but the best way to illustrate this with perfumes is, this is a Ferrari perfume, this is a body mist by Five. That's a mist. That's a mist. Now you decide which is Interceptor and which is the Triumph. Both smell good, but then there is a difference. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this, but what is fact is fact. Anyways, chalo, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I hope you guys have liked this video. In case you did, definitely hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Do follow me on Instagram. A lot of exciting stuff coming up, and next week, most probably, the Tiger is gonna roll once again. Tiger Zinda hai. Yes, we are going for a trip once again. From now onwards, I planned, I'm not sure, it's a plan, for the next 4 to 5 months for the riding season, I want to do at least one trip every single month. If you bless me to do it, I'm gonna do it. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering how is this camera working right now, yes, I'm vlogging on the Sony Alpha. I got my camera back this a much later day. Definitely, I'll appreciate Sony for this because they replaced the mic jack for free once again. This is possible for the next 1 year at least because the camera is still under warranty. For now, it's fixed. The Warrior is back again with the sword.